What's going on? It's your girl Marina and I am back with another hair video. This one's going to be about the simple side parted sleek back bun. It's a very simple style to put together and it can also be worn as a protective style as well, which is kind of what I was going for with this particular bun today. So guys, if you want to see how I put together this incredibly smooth, bump-free, sleek back bun, then keep watching this video. Alright guys, I am starting off on slightly damp co-washed hair that I slept in with these two pigtails overnight. Here I'm going to be using my Aveda Brilliant Anti-Humectant Pomade. It's pretty tarnished, I've had it for years, but it's lasted me forever. So I'm using some of the product that's already warmed up in the container and I'm saturating my hands in it. This helps to prevent frizz and to just continue on with the protective styleness of this bun. Alright, I'm going to separate some of this hair to saturate with water. This is going to be the part of the bun that I'm going to be sort of brushing down the most. So I'm going to be adding in some of this Paul Mitchell, the conditioner, leave-in conditioner, just to focus in on moisture in this part of my hair, which tends to get a little more dry. Now I'm going to be separating this top part of the bun hair just to get it out of the way because I'm going to be using different products for this top layer. I'm also going to be adding less pressure. This particular brush is going to be a little more rigid and harder. I need this for this part of the smoothing process of the second half of my hair. This is usually the part where it's harder to smooth down the lumps and bumps. Now just for added smoothness, I went ahead and used my curly hair brush to smooth down that part that I had in the back of my head. And now I'm going to be using my Eco Styler Argan Oil formula, and I'm going to be using that and focusing on the top part of the hair and then brushing it down the hair shafts. Now something that I recommend that you guys do, which I failed to do beforehand, is to test out your products and see how they mesh and meld together. The Paul Mitchell leave-in conditioner and that Argan Oil Gel did create a little bit of flaking, as you can see here. But because we are going to be using some different products for the top part of the bun, it's not such a problem. Next, I'm going to be using my Ampro Pro Style Styling Gel in the color Black and my rat tail comb to create my side part. The next brush I'm going to be using for this part of the style is going to be a softer bristle brush. I use this softer brush around my edges just to protect them and not be so harsh on them. Now, as you can see here, I am kind of layering my ponytails. This seems to really help me get the most smoothness out of my style. Now you guys are going to notice that I'm going to be interchanging a lot of the styling tools in the smoothing process because I just want to prevent any sort of lumps in this style. And I find when you do this, you can really sort of gauge the amount of pressure your hair needs to be manipulated to smoothness. I'm also using my Ampro Styl gel to sort of fill in the gaps, as you can see here. I don't have the thickest edges in the world, so this helps me to maneuver my hair to cover that up. Alright guys, just to clean up the style, I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges in the color black to touch up those edges. I am not the edge queen. I'm satisfied with a clean look, but I'm not an edge artist by any means. Lastly, I grabbed my satin scarf just to wear along the edge of the style. I wear it for about 10 minutes just to set everything into place. Alright guys, I am back. I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf down and just see how this hair is looking. And so far, so great. I'm really happy with this. This is super cute. No bumps, no lumps. We have reached the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to punch the like button if you enjoyed it. I cannot wait for the next one. Take care.